Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert gallons to liters in Google Sheet. Let's get started. Here I have a small list of value in gallons. Now we want to convert these into liters. Click on the cell next to the first value, for example B2, and type this formula. Then press enter. This will convert 1 gallon into liters, which is 3.78541 liters. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the other cells. And that's how you convert gallons to liters in Google Sheet using the convert function. It's quick, simple and accurate. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.